Minexa is designed for both worlds, a no-code interface for analysts and a full API for engineers building large-scale systems. Let's see how it can effortlessly scrape logistics company listings. Navigate to your dataset page. Minexa works whether you are extracting manually or feeding it into an API pipeline for large-scale processing. Click the extension icon. Minexa reads the current page automatically, with no setup required. Click here, and Minexa evaluates the page layout, understanding how results are organized and how new items appear as you move through the site. No results will be missed. Minexa picked up the pagination and will follow every page on each extraction run. Decide between scraping results only or clicking into every row for more. Click Continue for simple pages. Switch to advanced mode for pages where data only appears after clicks or filters. The section Minexa highlighted is the main block holding your data, confirming it ensures the same columns are extracted consistently across every future run. This is your full dataset structure. Everything was auto-detected. Just pick the fields you want, such as company names, locations, and contact details for logistics listings. Click API Request to get ready to run Python code that scrapes this exact data. Your scraper ID and request payload are already filled in. Your setup is ready. Click Complete Configuration to save it and move to the next part. Full dataset coverage is built in. The scraper will follow every page of results without any extra steps. Click to create your scraping job. If recurring data is useful, a daily or weekly schedule can be set right here. Launch Run to start extraction. Missing fields are returned as null, so outputs stay clean and database safe without guessed values. What you are looking at was pulled directly from the right spot on the page. Each column was locked to a specific element during training, so company names, locations, contacts, and services are never mixed up. Missing fields show as blank rather than guessed, and running this again on the same page gives you the exact same result. Download your dataset. JSON keeps nested data intact, while Excel expands everything into readable columns. Try Minexa today and replace fragile scraping scripts with a system that stays accurate and reusable over time.